Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie, and I'm going to show you how to turn this tube of biscuits into pretzel bites, salty pretzel bites, dipped in beer cheese sauce and mustard. Yeah, I don't even have a magic wand. I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's get cooking. So first, you want to grab your tin of biscuits, and the flavor I grabbed was butter tasting. Go ahead and start here. Peel it off, and if it doesn't pop on its own, then you're gonna whack it again. Oh, there we go. Oh, little nuggets of butter right there, just nestled into the biscuits. So take a biscuit and you're just going to roll it in your hand, and then you can kind of take it down to your cutting board, just sort of roll it into a long snake. Grab a little knife and you're just going to cut it into nuggets. And I'm going to do that with the rest of my biscuits. Next, you want to get a bowl of warm water, about 100 degrees. 2 cups of water in the bowl. And then you want to grab a 1/4 cup of baking soda. And then just go ahead and put that into your water and stir it up until it's completely dissolved. Comment down below. This is what I want you to comment on today in today's video. Let's make a food volcano. Should it be savory? Should it be sweet? What should the volcano be? What should the volcano, what is that, lava? What should that be? Like, let's get creative together. Let's come up with some really cool shit here. So what you want to do is take these little nuggets and drop them into the water. They're gonna take on this baking soda water mixture, and they're gonna kind of puff up a little bit. You really just need to dip these in this warm water for just a handful of seconds. And they do puff up a bit, but it doesn't take long at all. So once you do a batch, you just pop some more in here, working quickly so that the water stays warm. Next, you wanna melt 4 tablespoons of butter, just like this, looking all luscious. And grab a little brush, and we are just going to brush on some butter on the tops of all of these little nuggets. This ends up looking good when it comes out of the oven. I've seen other people do it, so we shall see if the same luck is going to happen to me. And by the way, while I'm buttering the hell out of these little nuggets, why don't you do me a huge favor? Share this video with your friends that like fun food, and also click on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Get your salt. I couldn't find the pretzel salt, so we're doing pink Himalayan sea salt. And we're just gonna salt them real quick. We're buttered up, we are salted up, and now I'm gonna put this in a 425-degree oven for about 8 minutes. But keep an eye on it. When they look nice and dark golden brown like a pretzel, take those suckers out. At that, they got nice and dark. Pick it up, look at the bottoms. Is it good? Does it taste like a pretzel? I'm not gonna tell you what he said, because you have to wait for time for taste. But we have to feed the cameraman, so we will find out soon, if you stay to the end of this video, if these taste like shit or a pretzel. Okay, well, if you know me, you know I can't just dip these in mustard and be happy. I need to make a sauce. And one of my favorite sauces to dip pretzels in is beer cheese. I am going to put 2 tablespoons of butter into my pot and just let that melt. So we are in the middle of Snowmageddon here in Northeast Ohio, and pretty much I think the whole country. I think we're all dealing with this right now. This is the day, so we're like, what should we do? Obviously we're gonna film, right? Well, let's make something fun. So we thought, yeah, quick and fun. The kids are gonna love this, I think. We have another tube of biscuits, so if they want to make them, they can. I have 3 tablespoons of just all-purpose flour here. I'm going to sprinkle in. And then I'm going to use my whisk and just whisk that up. This is making a roux. We've made sauces before on this channel. So if you're trying to make any kind of sauce that you want to thicken up a little bit, you want to start by making a roux, which is just a fat and some flour, or a fat and some cornstarch. And just stir it until it's like this little kind of goo. I've been standing over here enjoying a beer, a Modelo, and I'm going to pour a half a cup of this beer, sacrifice it for my beer cheese sauce. Try not to light it on fire, unless you want to just be really cool and make a little trick happen in your kitchen, but I do not. The fire will eventually go out once the alcohol burns off, don't worry. But you can see that the roux is thickening that beer up, so now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk to our thickened beer butter flour mixture, whisking the whole time so that it helps it to combine and thicken as well. So now I'm going to let this heat up until it starts to bubble. In the meantime, we can flavor it a little bit. So I am gonna hit it with just a little of this garlic salt with parsley. My butter is not salted, so I feel okay using the garlic salt with parsley. Again, this is the stuff from Aldi with the kind of the bigger grains, so it's not so fine and salty. So just shake some in there, you know, and you'll see, you can see where it is. It's got a nice yellow color in the parsley. So just a little bit to give it that flavor. Then we're gonna put a little bit of this Dijon Grey Poupon Country Dijon mustard in as well. Maybe like a teaspoon, I would say. Let's put that in. That'll give it a little bit of a bite and just more depth of flavor. And let's stir that into our sauce as it warms up. So I am gonna add about 1.5 cups. This is a triple cheddar mix of cheese. And now all that's left to do is put some of this delicious sauce in a little ramekin and plate up our awesome little pretzel nuggets, and let's get to dipping. All right, well, I am standing here. I got my beer, I got my pretzels, I got my beer cheese dip, grainy Grey Poupon mustard. This is my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. I'm excited. I am so excited. These little nuggets of goodness, the way that they look, they've got that just dark golden brown that you'd see on a pretzel. I just can't wait to dig in. So I'm going for the beer cheese dip because that's my jam. So just dip that. It tastes like a soft pretzel, and they're not warm anymore, but imagine if you ate these right out of the oven, which I'll come clean. Yes, we did. We already tried these. This is probably the 5th one I've had. The saltiness, even just using the pink Himalayan sea salt works. So if you can't find the flaky salt that you really want, it's okay. This works. Super Bowl's coming up soon. This would be a great Super Bowl snack as well. So, you know, so many different reasons to make this because, again, it is so easy and it's fun. And it's kind of surprising how great it turns out. So that's it for today. I am Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time.